Okay, so the first thing that you want to do is just Google Java downloads, and for me it was the third link down. You want to click on the Java SE downloads from Oracle. Once you get in there, you want to select what version that you want to download. So for me, let's download version 8. So click on JDK download. Once that opens up, you want to select whatever installer that you want. For me, it's Windows 64-bit. So click on that, then click on the terms. Now, don't left click on this button. You want to right click on that and then open link, or sorry, copy link, and then paste the link into a new web page and remove everything before the equal sign. So you're left with this. Then you want to add -pub, so URL here, and then just press enter on that, and it should start downloading the executable for you, and that'll work for the other files as well if you're downloading for Linux or Mac. Just to show you that this works as well, I'm going to be installing it. You can see the previous version that I did here just to make sure that it was still working. Okay, so that's opened up. What we're going to do, we're just going to do next, and we'll just keep on clicking next on the ones that come up after that as well. It can take a little while to install Java. Sometimes it can be a little bit slow, especially the first time. So next, let's just go into program files for me, and then I'm going to speed this part up. Okay, so that's done. That took about 4 or 5 minutes to complete. Let's go on to the next step. I think there's another install part. Again, I'm going to speed this part up as well. Okay, now that that's done, we're just going to close it out, and just to show you that Java is now installed, going to open up the command prompt. So click on start typing CMD, and your command prompt opens, type in Java -version, and there you can see the Java version. So for me is 1.8.0_281. Okay, hope that helps you guys install Java without having to do the login part.